Sauce on me. I got drip. Flood the wrist. It's homage to the.
Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. How y'all doing or whatever? Hey. Hey kings and queens, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Anique. Welcome. As you guys can see in today's video, we are about to budget paycheck number 1. And we are going to get into some things because some new bills are on this budget and it's changing up the things a little bit. So, you know, we got to get all that into it. But if this is your first time here on the channel, don't forget to hit that subscribe button. We are on a journey to 1,300 this month. And so if you would like to be a part of the family, if you enjoy this, then I hope you consider joining and clicking that subscribe button. Also, if you do enjoy this video, make sure you click that thumbs up, give this video a like, and if you want to add a comment down below, leave your 2 cents down in the comment box, add on to my 98, and we can make $1 because we can do a lot with $1. But without further ado, we're about to get into this video because the budget is budgeting and it's a little bit different, and you know, sometimes a little bit of different is good. But the greatest thing about this is that we are keeping track and we are aware that there's changes in the budget. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So this is my paycheck budget number 1 for the month of October. Y'all, we are in the last quarter of the year. Damn. All right, so 1 October paycheck. So on here I did get a paycheck of $540, and that is what I used basically to pay all my sinking funds, bills, saving challenges, you guys know the deal, and any other thing extra other than my expenses. And then I also got $2,900 deposited into my bills account because that pays for all of my bills. The girl has nothing to worry about. She just spends her cash envelopes and live her life, you know, as she lives it. So $540 plus the $2,900 is $3,440, as you guys see here. I forgot I already wrote these in. And these are all the bills that are going to be paid within the first, I want to say like 15 days of the month. Some of these bills have different days that they are expected to hit. So like this car payment is due on the 26th. My Navy Federal credit card is due on the 18th. And my Apple Care and Apple One is due on the 24th and the 29th. I just decided to pay them early, or in this case with my Apple Care and Apple One, to put money on my Apple Cash so that they have that on there, and I don't keep my credit card on Apple Pay because that is how you spend money easy and fast. I strictly stick by cash. So yes. So the only thing that was not filled in here is my Navy Federal credit card, and that's because I'm putting in my minimum payment, which is different from my monthly payment that you guys see. So my mortgage is still $14,1072. We can't wait until January when that changes. Then HOA is $50. Merit, which my dad's $100, which I'm about to send him money. Or if you've seen this, guys, I've already sent him money at the beginning of the month because I did receive this paycheck on the 1st. Patreon is $17.50. That doesn't change. That's my mentorship kind of. Pest control is $66.73. Protect the investment of the house. I'm already paying the mortgage, child. Internet is $98.38. Driven Elite, which is my gym, is $25. Car payment is $401. And then Apple Care is $8.55, and Apple One is $24.41, and both of those combined is $32.96. My Navy Federal credit card total is $197.86. And so when we do the calculation for all of these, 100 plus 1750 plus 66.73 plus 98.38 plus 25 plus 401 plus 197.86 plus 32.96. We have a total of $2,415 that pays for my bills. So this is how much that my bills is budgeting that I pay for the with this paycheck. So that $2,415 comes out of this $2,900 out of my bills account because that pays for the expenses located underneath this section. Everything else is used with my paycheck of $540, and that pays for my cash envelopes, my saving charges, sinking funds, additional debt, and other expenses like in this budget, which is Canva, that I may have this month. Okay, so we are going to move down to cash envelopes. And so we have my trusted faithfuls. We have my groceries, gas, allowance, toiletries, household, and hair care. I was changing up my hair care this month. Well, not this month, but I was changing up my hair care. I wanted to wear my natural hair more. So I'm going to be changing it to that style, but the amount doesn't change, because with my hairdresser doing my hair and tips, it comes out to the same amount. It's just now I'm focusing on my natural hair rather than getting braids and locks and all those, or getting a different hairstyle. I'm more focused on wearing my braids. I know, right? Winter is a time that I focus on that, but anytime's a good time to make a change in life, right? A change for the better. So starting off with groceries. Groceries is getting $150. Gas is gonna get $60. Inflation is inflating, guys, and so I think that's why I went to $60 for gas, because that just works better for me. Allowance is getting $10 to be really finishing, but I'm gonna stick with 10. And the only reason I'm sticking with 10 is because I don't want to start giving myself extra to then start using, you know, somewhere else. Like, I already do that, and so shout out to my buffer account for coming through every time. But yeah, I'm gonna stick with the $10 because I feel like that will be better for me in the long run of making sure that I stay in budget. Toiletries, I'm gonna do 5. Household, I'm gonna do household. I've been telling y'all I need to get these toilet paper and paper towels, and the paper towels is finishing soon. So I think I'm gonna do 35 here for household, because I want to make sure that my household is getting the money that it needs to do what needs to be done when the time comes, right? Hair care, normally I put $90 on here, but I have other paychecks coming, so I'm gonna do 75. I'm gonna do 75 for hair care this time around, and then let's do the calculation to see how much this is. So it's 150 plus 60 plus 10 plus 5 plus 35 plus 75 equals $335. So that is how much I am budgeting for my cash envelopes. Now we're going to move on to my additional savings, which is my saving challenges. And for this, I think I'm going to stick with a normal amount of dang it, like, what do I want to do? I think I want to stick with 50. I think 50 is a good number to stick with for these saving challenges, so I'm gonna stick with 50 for that. I was gonna look and see what I put before, but we're just gonna stick with 50. So $50 for my additional savings under saving challenges, and that's all good. And now we will add this 50, and so I'm at 385. Now don't forget that I am only having 540 to make these cash envelopes and sinking funds and every other thing, so I'm gonna subtract this 385 total between my cash envelope and additional savings from the 540 minus, so that leaves me with $155. Next I'm gonna do Canva, because Canva I believe is $120 according to the budget. Let me look real quick. Yes, $120 according to the budget, and so I'm gonna do $60 to Canva. So that will basically take care of half of that payment for that. So we did that. So if we subtract 60, ooh, the 155. Sorry, 155 minus 60 leaves me with $95 to break down. I want to start putting additional money towards my debt, so that is why I am That's why Navy Federal CC additional debt is on here. I think I'm gonna put $20 on here. So my additional debt payment on top of my regular payment of our minimum payment of $197.86 is gonna be $20. And so if we subtract 20 from that 95, we have $75 to work with. And that's what I'm gonna put in my sinking funds. So how do you break up $75 between 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 cash envelopes to determine the importance of each? So because of the other, what do I want to say? Because of the other checks that I'm gonna receive that can go towards this, and also like be, you know, more flexible in paying for my credit card and, you know, Canva and saving challenges and all those. And then on my like next check, I can like be really like given to sinking funds. I am going to, here's what we'll do. So for clothing, I'll do $5. For my birthday, I'll do $5. For fam's birthday, I'll do $5. For 1 month, excuse me, sorry. For Christmas, I'll do $10. Let's see how much that is. So it's minus 10 for Christmas, minus 5 for clothing, 5 for birthday, and 5 for family day. That leaves me with $50 left. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. Now my car maintenance, I do have something very important to go towards that. So I'm gonna do $20 towards car maintenance. So now we have $30 left, and I do have 1 month ahead emergency fund and travel, and so we're just gonna do 10 in each. Just gonna do 10 in each. So when we add these up, the 20 plus the 10 plus the 10 plus the 5 plus the 5 plus the 5 plus the 10 plus the 10 is equal to 70. Did I miss something? I missed a 5, didn't I? Yes, I did. I missed a 5. I know, I was like, I'm pretty sure. So it was 20, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 20, 10, 10, 5, 5, 5, 10, and 10. And so, yes, I did $75. So, let's write other down here. All right, so my income total budgeted was $3,440. That was my budget for my income source. My expense total was $2,415. My cash envelopes was $335. My additional savings was $50. My sinking funds was $75, and my additional debt was $20, and then other, I had Canva for $60. So when we do, let's see, so when we do 3,440 minus 2,415 cents minus 335 minus 50 minus 75 minus 20 minus 60 is equal to $499.85 left over. So $499.85 is what I have left over in total, and this is going to be my carryover into my next paycheck for my bills account. So this $499.85 is what should be my bank account basically by the time you guys see the next paycheck. So that is it for this paycheck budget, guys. I hope this breakdown helps someone who is trying to figure out their budget, because baby, I'm still always trying to figure out mine and get it together. But yeah, I feel like I told y'all October, I feel it's gonna be a great month. I feel like I'm gonna be on it. It's gonna be like popping, going off, all of the above, all the things. So I'm ready. So you guys are, I need to stop saying yes. So you guys are seeing this video tomorrow, Saturday. I'm dropping the cash envelope stuffing on this video. So thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you consider hitting that subscribe button again. Hit that notification bell so you guys get notified every time I post a video. And like this video if you did enjoy the breakdown of everything and my thought process through it, because that's literally how I think and do my budgets. And then also leave your 2 cents down below in the comment box to my 98 so we can make $1, because your help, my help, or help, we can get this budgeting thing together. You feel me? So that is it. My name is Anique. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.
How you wanna do it? How you wanna get it? I'm out that, out of my mind. Can't even talk, can't even walk. Bad little thing.